Want to automate your workflows and practice better? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create automated workflows that save you time and effort, all within Practice Better. And stick around, because I'll also reveal a powerful alternative that might work even better for your needs. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Practice Better account and navigate to the Automations tab. From here, you can start creating workflows that are tailored to your practice. It's incredibly simple and can save you a lot of repetitive tasks. If you don't see the option, make sure you're on a plan that supports automation, as this feature is typically available with the higher tier plans. Next, select the Create Automation button. This opens a list of triggers and actions. The idea here is to set up specific events that initiate an action. For example, you can trigger a workflow to automatically send a follow-up email after a client completes a session. There are various templates available to get you started, but you can also build your own custom workflows. Now, the next thing is to choose a trigger. Triggers are what kick off the automation. It could be a client booking a session, completing an intake form, or even after a payment is made. Once you've selected your trigger, it's time to decide on the action that will follow. Actions can range from sending emails, scheduling reminders, updating client records, and more. You have full flexibility to set these up however you need them. The fourth thing is to consider adding conditions to your workflow. This feature allows you to set certain criteria that need to be met before the action is triggered. For example, you might want to send a reminder only if the client hasn't responded to your previous communication. This adds an extra layer of customization to your workflows, making them more specific and effective. Once your workflow is set up, be sure to test it. Make sure that everything triggers and operates as expected. Testing helps prevent mistakes and ensures the automation works smoothly for both you and your clients. And don't forget, you can always tweak the workflow later if you need to fine-tune it. While Practice Better's workflow automation is powerful, it does come with some limitations, especially for those looking for more complex automation capabilities or integrations with other tools. It's a solid choice for a lot of professionals, but if you need more advanced features, there are alternatives that may serve your needs better. Now, let's talk about an alternative that might just take your automation game to the next level. Mention Competitor offers a broader range of customizable workflows, integrates with more third-party applications, and provides more detailed analytics to track the performance of your automations. Plus, the pricing is more flexible, making it an excellent option for those looking for a scalable solution. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that through our link, you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Competitor, along with some amazing benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about streamlining your workflow automation, I highly recommend giving this alternative a try. So, whether you stick with Practice Better or explore the alternatives, both options offer powerful tools for automating your practice. But if you're looking for something that pushes the boundaries a little further, you know where to look. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for your exclusive trial.